Hello everyone, welcome back to the Law in Real Life channel where the law and rules actually surrounding our daily lives, but sometimes they go in the way and interrupt our daily activities. Today's topic is something quite often happening whenever you try to visit into our beloved country. If you have a plan or you have a trip to Indonesia, you need to know about the legal sides of the overstaying your visa. So trust me, mate, it's you don't want to mess up about these things. So today we're gonna break down the consequences and how to avoid trouble when you have overstay your visa. So let's get started. First, let's talk about the what is overstaying actually. If your visa expired and you still stay beyond that date, means you are officially overstaying. So Indonesia takes immigration law very seriously, like I said, mentioned previously, and even a short overstay can have consequences. So if you realize that your visa is about to expire or you've already overstayed, here's what you should do. The first one, pay the fines. If you just short overstay, you can do that one in the airport before you leave in our country. So that's the first one. The second one, if you not apply the online visa, you just like regular visa, go to the immigration office if you want to stay longer. Don't wait for them, our immigration officers, looking around you and then you get catch by them. And the third one, well, apply for visa extension. That's the easy way before your visa expires to avoid problems. Or you may apply another kind or another type of visa, but you have to follow the regulation on that. And number four, if you overstaying for a long time or long period, please consult the immigration officer or consult immigration lawyer to help handle this situation. So what happened if you overstay? Actually, we have immigration law in law number 6 2011, especially in article 78, which mentioned that if you overstay but less than 60 days, Indonesia government will charge you a fine. And the on the government regulation number 28 2019 mentioned that if you overstay than less 60 days, they're gonna fine you around 1 million rupiah per day, all about or about 60 US dollars. And then if you overstay in short periods, like for a couple days, usually pay these fines uh, in the airport before you leaving Indonesia. But if you overstay more than 60 days, things gonna get serious because if you overstay beyond 60 days, well, actually, our laws mention that you could face deportation, blacklisting, and even detention by our immigration officers. So that means you might be banned from re-entering our country for probably minimum is 6 months, or sometimes you got be banned around several years. So you have to be careful about these overstay matters. So what is the best way to avoid this trouble? It's only one, mate. You have to stay on top of your visa dates. The easy way is, like most of us have the mobile phones, just set reminders on the visa dates. And then if you want to stay longer in Indonesia, please apply not just visa on arrival, but another kind or another type of visa, but you have to be strict to the regulation about that things. So it's better to save then sorry. So please stay safe and then have an amazing trip when you have a holiday in Indonesia. And please stay legal. See you in the next one.